The coolest thing about being a scientist is getting to name something that you discovered, and when it comes to fruit flies, there are some truly amazing gene names out there. There's Tin Man, which causes them to be born without a heart, Cheap Date, which makes them more susceptible to alcohol, Indy, which stands for I'm Not Dead Yet, and references the line from Monty Python and the Holy Grail, and doubles the lifespan of the flies. Kenny is a lethal allele because when it mutates, the flies die every single time, and the Ken and Barbie gene, which leaves them with no external genitalia. There is also the hedgehog gene, which controls the segmentation pattern of the embryo as it develops. When this gene is knocked out, the embryo develops a lawn of spiky denticles across its cuticle, which gives it the appearance of a hedgehog. Humans have similar genes that control critical aspects of the pattern of cellular development, so how your body takes its form and how your cells know what structures to turn into. In humans, these are the desert hedgehog, Indian hedgehog, and sonic hedgehog genes. During embryonic development, sonic hedgehog is critical to the development of the nodal cord and neural tube, which become your spinal cord and spinal column, and also your limbs and digits. These genes are mostly inactive in adults, as you would imagine, and inappropriate activation of this pathway is linked to many different types of cancers, including bladder, breast, esophageal, and brain cancer. As you can imagine, finding something to inactivate the sonic hedgehog gene when it's overactive would be of great value to treating these types of cancers. Enter the inhibitor protein robotnikinin, which binds to sonic hedgehog and prevents it from inducing these overactive cellular signals. The group that discovered robotnikinin did so in NIH3T3 cells, which had a luciferase glow gene inserted into the genetic sequence of a protein downstream of sonic hedgehog. NIH3T3 kinda looks like the word night, so they named these cells that glow when sonic hedgehog is active the SHH light cells. When sonic hedgehog is not properly functional in embryos, it can cause some significant congenital abnormalities like cyclopathy and holoprosencephaly. Talking about such things with the families of these infants while also bringing to mind a blue, hyperactive video game hedgehog is not a great look, so the gene is often referred to just as SHH. In fact, the Human Genome Organization Gene Nomenclature Committee has said before that it thinks some of these genes should be renamed if they were given their names a little too casually.